Hi everyone, welcome to my Rise 20. This is Dr. Niti. I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is my last video of 2019, and since you have seen my loves of 2019 video, you must have noticed that 2019 was the year of lenses for me. So I've tried millions and billions of lenses, but this time it's like the newly launched lenses, and trust me, the review is not at all sponsored because nobody knows me. But anyways, if you want to know which lenses I'm talking about, then you have to keep on watching. And by the way, this video is not sponsored in any shape or form because nobody knows me and nobody sends me gift ever. I don't know why. So these lenses are like purchased by me, and these are like by far my most expensive lenses. And these lenses are, drum rolls please, no, let us cut the crap. So these lenses are by Swati Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Jade. So these are like beautiful green colored lenses. So like I'm planning to incorporate these lenses in my like today's New Year's Eve look, since today's New Year's Eve. So I don't know how you guys are celebrating on New Year, but I'm like really excited. Even staying at home makes me excited because since it's New Year's Eve. Anyways, so let me like try those lenses. So as I told you, it is like the light green colored lenses, and the color looks really great. I don't know how it will look on my eyes or on my face. So these are like 6 months half yearly disposable lenses, and I really like the packaging. I don't know why the print is like off right here. I have purchased it from Lifestyle website, but right now they're available on Nykaa as well. They are roughly about 3,500 rupees, and like you have to purchase it twice in a year. So you have to dispose it off, or you have to replace it in 6 months. So these are like soft contact lenses, and they have water content of 38%, diameter of 14.20 mm, and base curve of 8.70 mm. They come in power as well, but I have chosen like powerless lenses. I'll wear specs nevertheless. So I really like the packaging, and you have to like open the package like this. I don't know why the printing is like quite off. They're like double prints. I don't know whether the original packaging is like that or not. So it will open like that. So it comes with a, as always, I always drop things. So once again, ignoring my clumsiness. So this is like a beautiful packaging, and inside it comes with a booklet where it's written like for your eyes only by Swati, and it's like an instruction manual, and it comes with the lenses case, and the lenses are in this bottle, and they are like tweezers to like take out your lenses. So you can reuse it again for like 6 months. So now I've taken out this like pot kind of a thing. There is like one lens in one pot and the other one in other. So you can see the lens over here. So I'll be using this tweezer to take out the lenses, and then I'll be storing that in the lenses case after using it. So let me open the container. So it has got open. This is like seal pack. It's like emptying the contents of the bottle in this lens cover. So the lens is here. I hope you can see. So I'll take the lens out now with the tweezer. So it's the lens, and I'll be wearing it off camera. So I finally, I'm wearing it on like my one eye. So as you can see, it's actually making my eyes more, highlighted and more bigger as compared to the other one. My eyes are naturally bigger, but it is like making it more highlighted. So can you see the beautiful green color? So these are in jade color. So they are like 6 months disposable. Obviously it is like initially any lens would hurt your eyes, so that is why my eyes are red. So now I'll pop it onto my another eye, and then I'll be back. So I put on the lens on the other eye, and it feels quite comfortable. I cannot say much since it's the first impressions, but as of now they feel quite comfortable. I really like the pop of green on my eyes, and really nice color. So these are in the color shade in the shade Jade, and I really like it. So now I'll go and complete my New Year's Eve makeup look, and I will see you in the next year. So I hope your 2020 will be much more better and much more grander than 2019. So I hope you guys enjoy, have a blast, and I'll see you with more new videos, new hauls, and until then enjoy yourself, and wish you all a very happy new year.